Right guys, welcome back to the channel. Hope you're all smashing it. Well, as you all know, I like to keep my car in tip-top condition. And I am a firm believer that Auto Glim are some of the best products on the market, and I've sworn by them for years, and that's pretty much all I use. But today, we're going to be having a look at this Bilt Hamber Laboratory double speed wax, which I got off Amazon. I think it was about £18–19. And gets really good reviews. No frills packaging, comes in literally a plastic bag, comes with an applicator, obviously your wax, and this funny kind of microfiber cloth, which is very smooth, not like the Auto Glim microfiber cloths. So it's pretty much, they're quite coarse, but they do the job really well. Now, thing is I put wax on this. It's not really going to make much of a difference. I just literally did Auto Glim ceramic spray on it the other day. So, you know, it's going to repel water. If I pour a watering can on this now, it's going to repel anyway. That's just been washed today. Now, I do maintain that car, but not at the same rate as I maintain this. So, that car's been washed. Just going to give the bonnet a little wipe, and then we're going to apply this and see what it's like. This is some of the basics, guys. Wash the car, dry it, use the applicator sponge, dampen it first, then apply circular motions, leave 5–10 minutes for it to dull off, then use the cloth provided to take off. If there's any stubborn bits, dampen that cloth, should remove it, store it in a cool, dark place. So we're good to go. Right guys, we've got the applicator sponge here, so let's apply some water to it, let it soak through, do it on both sides, and then get it a nice wring out so the applicator sponge is nice and damp, ready for the application of the wax. Right guys, so there is our wax, nice concrete wax, hence why the sponge needs to be damp. It's quite surprising that you don't actually need much of this, so obviously get your sponge in there because it's nice and damp. It will just pick it up and basically just spread it around the bonnet. It does go quite far, and just spread it in circular motions as instructed, evenly around the bonnet. Once you finish spreading, guys, just have a look around, get your eye to the light, and just see if you've missed any bits. So after leaving it for the recommended 5–10 minutes, just do the finger test and just wipe little areas and just see if it comes off all right, and then you'll know you're ready to start buffing. There we go, it actually looks quite nice reflection, and it feels quite nice too. And now for the favourite part of the test, guys, the bead test, and it's actually not that bad. Nice, love it. Not too bad for a carnauba wax. Right guys, well, I am actually quite impressed with this Bilt Hamber. It's actually not a bad product. You know, for a carnauba based wax, you know, the beading pretty good. Been pointless doing it on that. You know, this gets maintained every week. You know, the paintwork is glossy, it's smooth. Whereas this, yeah, it does get washed. Nice auto blend shampoo and conditioner. That's about it. It probably gets a polish every couple of months. But that now, I'm happy with that. I'll probably do the old car and it's nice and smooth. It's not a bad product. Like I say, I'm not normally the biggest fan of Carnauba waxes. It's a bit old school. So there we go, guys. Bought some G-Technique wheel armour, which is like a coating. So we'll give that a go when that comes next week on that. So there we go, guys. Stick around for more product reviews. Remember, like and subscribe. Catch you in the next one.